Mine.
You'll leave after this today, James.
Yeah.
What?
I have a laser effect once today.
It's like triple to Japan.
Yeah, you're good.
I forgot that's an effect.
I know you just said it. I'm like, hey, crash out right now. Now that you know. This would have been different.
Me too.
Right, this like.
Oh my god, that's Alex. I wonder if he realized too.
You're mad.
Here you go. Good old big $3.
I know, like I think they didn't work out for both of them.
Yeah.
They're asking you favors.
Double trigger bomb deck on stuff. Here you go.
A little better.
I'm a bit better, I'll know right now.
Again.
I'll go first, right?
Yeah.
You go.
You're good.
Six to left.
I'll take it. No trigger.
I'll play BB. Go away. Oh my goodness.
Leader effects. I need a rush. But I do have to take one life. Against rush. So I'm at 8.
We'll swing 6 at leader.
87.
No, I mean, they didn't do their effect. They didn't activate
You're good.
That's what it does. That's insane. Yeah, that's what it does. The one that you revealed at the top.
It's a cracker.
Yes.
That's what
I
It'd be nice.
Okay, 5 for Biscuit World. Go ahead. That's
I drew into
I'll do 5 at leader.
like that. No trigger.
I'll do 5 at leader.
Fine.
I'll trash to KO. You're good to go.
And so equal to your like, right?
Equal or less than.
Whatever.
Oh my god.
Grab it again.
Minus 2 pence. I'll save it.
Minus 2 picks on 9. Minus 4.
Okay.
I'll take 3. Chilean. And that's the left card. You have the big or lower. And I'll put 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. 7. And I'll be your go. No, that one says yours.
You're right. Yeah.
Or we ride.
Yeah. All characters that are rested of the list will not become active on the
I can expect.
Here you go.
Try that later.
I'll swing 8 at leader.
I mean, back down.
Biscuit Warrior.
Nothing.
Swing 5. Swing 9.
8 again at leader.
Speaking rush.
5.
Go on. How much is that?
It's 8. Okay. And then I'll tap 2 for Walker. Over to you.
Seven.
4 cards in hand, right?
Yes.
10. That's crazy. I honestly, I had a blocker in my hand, so I want to give it to yours. I should say it for next turn. Oh. Yeah, I should say it for next turn. So like my own blocker.
With one non-dodge and attack, you return the 3 costs or less to your hand.
Was that big? You got a big one? I had a big one.
It's gonna reduce your cost by 1.
Yeah, I was debating either putting like a body into your life. Just like blocker, you would just swung and then see what she did. But you could put it in the big. Sure, that's the thing with privilege. You never know what honestly though, we're not even yeah. So the one he did, he got that exactly. But the
Minus-
basically like
minus 2K.
No trigger.
Oh man. I got no Alex.
Those might be relevant in the story or something.
No trigger.
The way it's going right now.
3, Wiley.
2-2.
5 to life.
Another false number.
I'll take. No trigger.
Oh, you were trying to loop that into that setup.
7 to life.
Yeah, you want to
3K.
I'll play 5. Carrot. Can I stand up next time?
Okay.
Go ahead.
just got you.
Cards. I would do purple, red, yellow.
Got his leader earlier. Got his leader.
Oh, rest.
He said the finals.
Play a snake.
I thought about like, it's not too bad. It's not bad.
Oh, actually, it is.
But it's like if you go to the second derby,
Has to be 6 costs.
you play the 4-6. Don't get the first. Don't get the big run. But you don't get a 4-6. Has any 3-5. 3-6. 3-6 draw.
10.
That's a lot pressure. Yeah. He went for it. Sure. It was an SR. No. So we got
No, one is trying to.
Oh, you're good to go.
Good thing it's only my turn. Like my brother got confused right now, and I'm like, if I have to slash, that's either or. But it says opponent's turn on chaos. So black decks will suffer. But it won't make people think twice when they're like attacking it or wanting to destroy by effect. I'm like, no.
Yeah.
It's good when the opponent's turn on KO because it's like leave it 6 per in case I think you never know one. Well, just your face.
Well, 6. Small price to pay.
Exactly right. It's a small price. Just a small.
Just a little one.
What is that?
3. 3 2K counters.
I hope so.
I'm gonna need the big right. Oh yeah. Big grab. Ooh, Roger. So that's the big grab to Roger by 24. It's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. And then they just start dropping them back to back. It's so.
Can I read that?
Yeah, I like that. Roger's would be fun.
What
Yeah.
minute?
I had a big three dragon.
Once of my turn,
Big
big
dragon.
I know, and she's not leader box. I'm like, and she has a counter, so that's going crazy.
Yeah.
Usually cards like that don't have a counter. She's a 1. I'm like,
That's a little crazy.
yeah, I'm like, on play, anyone attacking, I'm like, oh, like 7 or less? I'm like, nah. I'm like, okay. She's gonna give me a 2 watch.
Oh, you think?
I mean, seeing in place with Bonnie, Bonnie and Corona,
Oh, okay, yeah.
you know, it's like you have a lot of blockers, little blockers, cancel them up.
I just watched that happen.
Jeez.
I just see the ordeals, dude.
Yeah. 9.
7 to
Minus 9 to this. No trigger. Minus 2.
6 to life, he can stand up.
Say that again?
6 to life,
Oh, no.
same thing, can stand up.
2K.
My first pre-release, I went to.
That's what I'm saying. How you
No trigger.
The dude next to me and the girl both wait.
Minus 2.
7. King, turn 1. If you have 5 more gone, 5 down or more, he can crush. 8 to life.
My next pre-release,
What else to do?
Yeah, I know, right? And so I'm like, sorry, 20 doctors.
Yeah.
I was saying that card should have the sentence as maximum cards in deck 20. Just to play with it.
I don't know about that.
Hey, it'll be a nice little joke for the leader. Like, hey, 20 doctors, max limit 20.
Oh, that's nice.
Send Goku over. It's still 25. Now I have a playset of him. And then today,
Swing 6 in the carrot. 7, 8.
I barely open boxes. They never get a product. I wanted to buy a box today.
Swing 5. 7, 8.
These are 2K.
I'm going to be surprised. Dawn minus 1. Trash a card from my hand. Trash the card. This goes to the top of my life, and you can do the same.
My LC and my card got blew out. And that same week, it was 2 weeks last week, and then my car insurance was due.
Yeah, choose 1 6 or less. So that is going to go to the bottom of your life. Face up.
Gotcha.
And you're good to go.
I mean, yeah, if you ask me one life, we can get rid of something that's trolls like a blocker or a rush or something like that. No.
Yep, exactly.
I see it. I like that.
And I need to sustain a little bit.
Exactly. It gives sustainability. Okay, I like that. Oh, and then there's some cards that will put cards on top of your deck from the new ones, right? You can probably add like a trigger, probably manipulate like a trigger. If you can, yeah. Michael, right?
Yeah, you're good to go.
Just buying from people on the Discord.
75 now?
3.
Way cheaper. Some are nice. Like Foxy, I had to get those. And honestly, it paid itself back if I wanted to sell the Porsche. It's crazy how that. But it's just like.
No trigger.
For life.
Again. Oh.
Good game, brother. And also balance. Dude. Nice. Nice.